Nothing has more electricity than this power plant! I've hit the jackpot! Soon I'll be powerful enough to destroy all the Rangers!
I'm not getting anything on the scanners.
Switch to electromagnetic pulses. Hey! Cal, how'd it go?
The Lion Zord's ready if we need it.
Hey, you really are a great mechanic.
Well, actually, it was all Mick. Turns out I have a lot more to learn.
You'll get there, buddy. But right now, we need to find Voltipede.
Suffering circuits! The entire city of Summer Cove has lost power!
Are you sure, Redbot?
Yep. I'm pretty sure it has.
That's gotta be Voltipede.
He must be at the Summer Cove power plant.
Well, come on. We gotta hurry.
The power plant's just a few blocks away.
You're too late! I'm already fully powered up!
It's time to unplug you. For good. It's Morphin time! Power stars!
Lock in! Ready! Ninja spin! Ninja Rangers, fear no danger! Ready for a zappin'?
Ready for our fusion star attack?
Too slow! That was just a taste! Now I'll destroy you one by one! Basher bots! Finish them!
I can take on the Basher bots. Can you guys take care of Voltipede?
Sure can, bro.
Swarm them!
Careful! Don't let him do another electrical attack! I know what you boys need! Rock Storm Blast!
Let's try and combine our attacks.
Ninja Blast!
Hey, Brody.
What's up?
Can I try out the Lion Fire Armor Star?
Sure. You think it'll work?
If it does, I want to take him down myself. Lion Fire Armor Star, lock in! Ninja spin! Out of the fire and into the fight. Lion Fire Yellow.
Whoa! Epic! You got this, Calvin!
I sure do.
Where'd he go?
Surprise! Whoa!
Even with your lion armor, you can't keep me down! I'm still full of power!
And so am I. Lion Fire Armor Star, lock in! Time to give the Lion Powers a yellow twist. Lion Fire Ninja Spin! Lion Fire Flame Spin! Final attack! Yeah! We really short-circuited his plan.
And those Basher bots are history, too.
Woo! Nice job!
Let's head back to base.
Well, well, well. What do we have here? Finders keepers.